Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use sim.ai. First, open your web browser and search for sim.ai. From the search results, click on the official link to open the sim.ai website. When the homepage loads, you will see that the tool is free to use, but it has some limitations on usage. You can choose to upgrade to a paid version if you want access to more advanced options. Click on the Get Started button, and you'll be taken to the Sign Up page. You can sign up easily using your Google account or create an account using another option. Once you finish signing up, you'll be directed to the main interface of sim.ai. On the main page, you will see four options: Copilot, Console, Chat, and Variable. Each of these serves a different purpose. The Copilot option is where you can build, edit, and optimize workflows. It helps you automate repetitive processes, connect actions together, and make your tasks more efficient. The console is a space where you can test and run commands directly, especially if you're working with code or system-level functions. The chat section lets you communicate with the AI conversationally, ask questions, or get ideas quickly. The variable section allows you to create and manage values that can be reused in your workflows or automations. Now, go to the Copilot section. Here, you can give it a task related to workflow creation. For example, you can type, "Create a workflow that collects customer feedback from a Google form, sends it to a spreadsheet, and then emails a summary report every Friday." The Copilot will automatically design this process, connecting each step for you. You can review the workflow, edit any part, or optimize it to run more smoothly. This makes sim.ai a useful tool for anyone who wants to automate tasks and save time by building smart workflows without coding. Thanks for watching.